The Involvement Center is your online portal for all registered student organizations, events, and activities on campus. To access the Involvement Center, open your preferred web browser and type in involvementcenter.unlv.edu. Tap Sign in the top right corner and use your ACE account to log in. From this homepage, you can access a directory of active RSOs, a menu of upcoming events, as well as the latest news and campus links. To view the complete list of registered student organizations, click the Organizations tab at the top of the screen. Browse the full list of organizations here, search for organizations of interest by using keywords, or filter based upon interest or category. If you know a specific registered student organization by name, you can utilize the search feature. For this demonstration, let's search for the Campus Activities Board, known by the acronym CAB. CAB is a student-driven organization dedicated to creating, planning, and executing campus-wide events in order to encourage a vibrant campus culture at UNLV. On theirs and other RSO homepages in the Involvement Center, you can find information about the organization's mission, contact information, answers to frequently asked questions, upcoming organizational events, a list of current members and positions they hold, photos, the opportunity to engage in conversation through the discussion board, and more. There are many ways to get involved on campus. Joining an RSO, becoming a member of Greek life by joining a fraternity or sorority, getting involved with CSUN student government, or by simply attending events taking place on campus. Throughout your college journey, keep in mind there's no one way to be involved on campus. Everyone's involvement journey should look different. No matter how, students who are involved feel more connected to their campus, build connections with their peers, and have a higher likelihood of degree completion and higher GPA. Check out the Involvement Center to start your own involvement journey.